Today, I'm going to teach you how to subtract cells in Google Sheets. This is one of the most fundamental operations you'll use when working with spreadsheets, whether you're tracking expenses, calculating differences, or managing data. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your Google Workspace. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are stored. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to perform your subtraction. This will open up your Google Sheets file, giving you full access to all the cells and data within it. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're working with a new sheet. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on the cell where you want your subtraction result to appear. This is important because the answer to your formula will show up in whatever cell you select. Once you've clicked on your desired cell, type an equals sign. This equals sign tells Google Sheets that you're about to enter a formula rather than just plain text or numbers. After typing the equals sign, click on the first cell that contains the number you want to subtract from. You'll notice that the cell reference automatically appears in your formula. Next, type a minus sign. This is the subtraction operator that tells Google Sheets to subtract whatever comes next from your first number. Then click on the second cell, the one containing the number you want to subtract. Once you've done that, simply press enter on your keyboard, and Google Sheets will instantly calculate and display the result in your selected cell. But what if you need to subtract more than just two cells? The process is virtually the same, just extended. Click on the cell where you want your result to appear, then type an equals sign to begin your formula. Click on your first cell, then input a minus sign. Click on your second cell, then add another minus sign. Finally, click on your third cell. You can continue this pattern for as many cells as you need to subtract. When you're finished adding all the cells you want to include in your subtraction, hit enter. Google Sheets will process the entire formula and give you the final result. And there you have it, a straightforward way to subtract cells in Google Sheets, whether you're working with two values or multiple ones. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.